हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड वाला। आई एम सुनुप। दोस्तों, आज हम रिव्यू करेंगे एक इंग्लिश फिल्म जिसका नाम है द वुमन इन द विंडो। ये कल ही रिलीज हुआ है नेटफ्लिक्स पर और इसको रिव्यू करेंगे मेरे दो स्टूडेंट्स आदिति और काव्या। तो आइए पहले आदिति से जानते हैं उनको ये फिल्म कैसे लगा। आदिति, you can
Yes,
see
sir.
me?
Hello,
Yeah, great,
sir. Yes,
great.
sir.
You have a nice smile on your face. Tell me, were you smiling while watching the film as well or not?
No, sir.
Oh, you didn't
I mean,
like
like
it.
at the
Oh,
start of the movie, it was fine, but then as it went on and on, I didn't really like the ending. As in,
okay.
it didn't really make me feel the way it should have made me feel.
So you didn't quite enjoy the film. Kavya, what are your thoughts about the film?
Sir, the reason I wanted to see this film is because it has a very great actress, Amy Adams, who has
Okay.
been like a 6-time Oscar nominee, and like her films are always like great. I've really enjoyed all her films. And
Okay.
also there's another supporting actress called Julianne Moore, who is
Yeah.
and again a very accomplished actress. So these were the only two reasons I was like, very interested in like, okay, what is the story going to be about? Its trailer is great, so like filled with suspense, and so it builds a curiosity. But the narration is, well, if I had to tell you a story of me going to a store, and I tell you I stepped outside and my lift got stuck, and
Okay.
then I took a cycle, and then the cycle chain broke. Someone helped me, and that person was so creepy and scary. I was completely petrified of him. I went to the store. When I came back, I forgot where my house was. I could not find my house for 30 minutes. Finally,
Okay.
I came back and found my house. And the only reason for me to tell you the story is that, the store had a discount. Why would you tell me all this extra information? You actually
That really cracked me up. Okay.
it is just, there is one very simple narrative, and I think only Amy Adams can play this character because it's a very tough character. It is someone who has this phobia that it's kind of difficult to pronounce also. It's agoraphobia. It's a fear of going outside. Like the outside world scares you, and it's a real thing. If people are scared of the outside world, and they get a lot of anxiety and panic attacks, and they usually have people to take care of. They're very scared, like, once they go outside, something bad will happen, so they don't step outside their house at all. They don't interact with outside people that much. That's how they are. And she is a child psychologist who for the past 10 months has been having this fear for some reason. And it adds to the reason why she's always at home. It gives you some sort of justification, like, why is she in this house?
Okay.
But being at home, she's developed this curiosity of like, peeking and looking at her society. She keeps looking outside the window and like looking at other people's houses and like, what's going on. Like she has this curiosity about like the outside world, but she's afraid to be part of it. That's how it is. One day she interacts with her neighbor, and there's something very weird about it, but at the same time she likes this neighbor. Like she likes this lady a lot. She's come to like her. Only in one meeting she was like, I can vibe with this person. It's a good thing. And you can see that there is something that both of them don't know about each other, but at the same time it just seems that
they're just
like,
enjoying their company.
Yeah, they're enjoying their company. The next day she realizes that there is something going on when she keeps looking at people's houses the way that she does. And when she witnesses that something wrong has happened, because she is a person who has such a strange fear and everything, there are many people who do not believe her when she tells, like, she calls the police and she calls the detective. So there are a lot of things that come into play, like, listen, you have this illness and you take so much medication also, so probably you imagined it, that something bad has happened. So this is the basic narrative.
Okay.
But the way the story is,
so the story, the writing lets you down. Aditi, let me come to you. Is there any scene in the film that at least engaged you to a bit, to some extent, to some level? कुछ अच्छा लगा आपको?
नहीं सर, मुझे कुछ नहीं अच्छा लगा.
Aditi will just remove her glasses and throw it away right now. But tell me, what went horribly wrong for you? I mean, the way Kavya described, was it the strangeness, the weirdness of the script itself that really let you down, made you feel bored, or was there anything else to it as well?
Yeah, exactly. Like the way it was narrated, it wasn't as in like how Kavya gave an example. She had to go to the store.
Yeah.
The same way, like the movie was just as stretched for no reason. It's
Okay.
like ऐसा, yeah.
Okay.
The
Okay. All
thing
right.
is, so
Huh.
the movie plot, right? It has, you want to know who it is, and there is this curiosity.
Okay.
But you know, it's like race. The number of turns and like, you know, everything suspense is like, you know, the plot keeps twisting so much. At a point,
Okay.
you're confused. You're genuinely confused, and confused not like you're watching Inception or watching Tenet. You're confused like you're losing interest while, you know, there's
क्या
so
हो,
many
क्या
things
रहा
that
है
you're
यहाँ
curious
पर,
about.
like,
Yeah, you get frustrated kind of.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Aditi, coming to you, how did you find the performance of the lead actress, Amy Adams?
she was really good. She, like how Kavya mentioned, like she's the only person who could actually play this role really well, and she really did it well.
Okay. Okay. Kavya, any more positives to take away from Amy's performance? How did you find it overall?
I think her performance was really good. There was one thing that, you know, her character had, so she's scared of so many things, but at the same time she has this willpower. Like she wants to help someone. She's not a bad person. It's just that she has a phobia. And for you to be convinced, right? Usually when someone is saying that, you know, this person has certain phobias, they always end up narrating the person in a negative way. Like the person is like bad or for some reason, you know, just because they have fears. But she's like, you know, the way that she's been put in the center of the plot, she really, I think she took the script to a great level. The little that she had, that, you know, there's this fear and everything,
Right.
it was genuine. It came off genuine. I think she gained weight for this role, and it was very convincing because she's not stepped out. So she's going to, you know, like she's going to binge eat and she'll drink occasionally and alongside taking medication. So it'd be messed up. There is one thing at the end, sir. The ending, there's this one scene out of nowhere. It's like she gets injured, and that injury scene, it's like an attack, like an injury, and that's so gruesome. It comes out of nowhere. So if anyone has like a, you know, if anyone feels grossed
So
out,
this is
easily,
this is a disclaimer for viewers.
a
Okay.
disclaimer. Don't eat dinner while watching this film.
Watching
the end,
Aditi, did you feel the same while watching the climax?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very disturbing, very grossed
it was
out.
very disturbing, and it was
It's
unnecessary.
only one scene, but it's like
that scene was just unnecessary.
Okay, just unnecessary, says Aditi. Yeah, Kavya, you're just adding on something?
Yeah, so if, you know, I had to attack you, I would hit you in the head. I would not find a very disgusting way to like attack you. Like it was a very
unless you are a psycho.
So psychos also, you know, they're probably prettier with their killing. You know, they'll at least slit a throat or something. This is so like,
okay, don't tell me what they do. Don't no disclaimers, but okay. Don't blame me for suggesting this film. I thought it would have made for a wonderful watch, but
same.
yeah, there is Gary Oldman in the film, you know. So unka performance कैसे लगा आप लोग दोनों को?
The movie's only positive is the actors. The actors are done very well.
Male actors, okay.
All the actors were good. It was just the like the dialogue delivery wasn't up to the mark, maybe.
Okay. Yeah, you know, the fear that you mentioned, the phobia is that of stepping. She has a phobia of stepping outside, right? Meeting people, going outside. She doesn't like doing that. She's fearful of that fact. I remember this Radhika Apte film. I don't know if you guys have watched it. I think the name of the film, if I'm not wrong, was Phobia. The name of the film was Phobia. I think something similar. Yeah, pretty similar. Okay, all right. Chaliye,
so
dosto.
there's one thing. The acting, right? I mean, apart from the acting, it's the only turn off in the film is the direction. It is too much, like the creative direction that is there, right? The director's trying to bring in a Alfred Hitchcock like feel, but in that you lose the interest a lot. It's like too much. So that's the only thing.
Okay. So Aditi, nothing went right for you while watching this film?
No, so I went off to sleep.
Okay, same for Kavya. Okay, Aditi, kitna stars dengi aap out of 5 for this film?
2.
Oh, she's being very generous. Okay. Oh, you're also being very generous. I would
put the 2 actors.
Okay.
One star for each actor.
Okay, all right दोस्तों, तो ये था हमारा रिव्यू ऑफ दिस फिल्म कॉल्ड द वुमन इन द विंडो. अगर आपने देखा है फिल्म तो हमें लिखकर बताना आपको फिल्म पसंद आया कि नहीं पसंद आया और क्यों पसंद आया क्यों नहीं पसंद आया. चलिए, फॉर द मोमेंट इट इज टाइम फॉर मी एंड Aditi as well as Kavya to say tata.
Bye.